That's one of ours. Don't know if you can see my dad, but you can a bit. He's lighting another one. Oh. Dad's getting another one.
I keep stopping and starting mine.
This one's not igniting. It has now. Shit your phone, Dad. Another one. Guys, I've just chose my dad to do this one. That's the one I've chose with the blue tip. I will probably have to do a part 2, by the way, guys. Also, if you're asking where we got this from, got it from Aldi. It's the Sky Master pack. That's a red tipped one. Yeah, I'm going to do a part 2 after this. Let's hope it catches it.